Hello again and welcome to Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. Today we're looking at the question words where, when and why. We use where to ask about places. For example, where is Uncle Geoff? He's at home. We use when to ask about dates and times. For example, when will you phone? Tonight at 6. And we use why to ask about the reason for something. For example, why is Mary taking a taxi? Because her bicycle is broken. So, question words in English. Where, when and why. Question. Where are you studying English? Online? At a language school? Where? Where are you studying English? And when is your next lesson? When is your next lesson? And why are you studying English? For fun? For work? Why are you studying English? Very good. English grammar? Question words? Easy peasy. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. Bye-bye for now.